Cody! Cody, come here! Come here! Oh, good boy! Good boy!
And water. It's filled with the kinds of things that you might have in your multivitamin or things like antioxidants or superfoods. So this is a big thing.
Coldster.
Assaults include a public mocking of Hillary Clinton's bathroom habits, a vile depiction of her last defeat, and declaring his hate for some in the media, whipping up an angry crowd against the press there to cover him. Of course, it is all playing very well to his core supporters who embrace his boldness. But is that enough? Especially...
Oh. Cody, do you want a belly rub? Cody, come on. Good boy. Good boy, Codester.
Drop. Daddy go.
Cody, drop. Good boy.
You like that Charles Heisig. It's one of my favorites. I like it way better than Blue Clicquot.
Oh, that's good because I don't really care for Blue Clicquot.
Ready, Cody? Get it. Good boy, Cody. Oh, almost. Come on, Cody. Bring it here. Bring the stick. Bring the stick, Cody. Cody, bring the stick. Cody, you don't like the Roomba? You don't like the Roomba, bud?